So these are all presidents and their wives?
These are the first ladies. The presidents are not in all the pictures, just in one or two of them.
Okay.
Because there's a whole nother set of the presidents. She had a deck of cards from the Smithsonian on presidents. And so she decided that she would do, this is Tina, that she would do the paintings one a week for a year. And since we haven't had 52 presidents, she decided that she would do some pictures of different people in the last of the several paintings.
So each painting's got a playing card in it?
Yes.
And some of them are the First Lady with the President and some are the First Lady without the President?
Correct.
Okay. Pretty cool.
Yep, it is. And one, you'll not be able to find the card at all
Oh yeah?
because you have to be very clever. All that Nancy Reagan could ever see was Ronnie. And so when you look in his picture, you see Ronnie shining out of her eyes.
That's a nice picture.
And his painting, his card was the 10 of diamonds. You don't ever see that card. But she has 2 earrings, 5 diamonds in each one. So his was the 10 of diamonds.
So has she done paintings of all the presidents as well?
She's done the painting. Did you see the poster on the outside?
There's a, yeah.
There's a poster out there of all the presidents up to Bill Clinton. And after that, she either hasn't done them yet or hasn't finished them, but they're not in the poster.
Okay. And the other one over in that corner, there's like a puppet. That's an amazing picture.
The pocket.
A puppet.
Oh, the puppet, the Wizard of Oz.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes, that's Dick Cheney, George Bush, Condoleezza Rice, Colin Powell, and Donald Rumsfeld. That Dick Cheney was the vice president, George Bush was the president,
Right.
Condoleezza Rice was the Secretary of State, and Colin Powell was Secretary, he was...
Well, he was the army, wasn't he? Military.
Well, he was also, I believe, Secretary of State at one time also.
Oh, right, okay.
And then Donald Rumsfeld was Secretary of Defense.
And they're all in that picture, are they?
Yes,
Oh,
just
not
like
look-
it's the Wizard of Oz.
I need to look more closely.
Yep.
Hey, thanks. That's great.